Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel Login Joins. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can write a good rap song like Eminem using AI in just few minutes. So let's get started. Open your browsing app, then type here chat.openai.com and at the search bar, type in write a good rap song. After you're done, press enter. And here it will provide you sample rap song and some inspiration for your next move. Furthermore, you can also ask for some tips regarding how you can write a good rap song. And here you will see some tips and tricks regarding that. So that wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching guys. We will see you soon.